because this is not acceptable. That is not acceptable. And this is not acceptable. Not convenient. Gorilla Grip over the door organizer. Premium material, breathable and washable mesh, easy to see, 24 pockets, durable and strong for convenient hanging over the door, and you can fold it up for storage. Has a 10-year warranty. Awesome. There's your manufacturer's information. There's the size. So I wasn't sure when I ordered these if I wanted fabric or mesh, and this, I looked at a lot of different ones, and this one caught my eye because it had a really good video on Amazon giving me some of the features. Here we have our hangers in this little pocket. Nice touch to put them in a little plastic baggie to protect the mesh. Stitching seems to be good and solid, as indicated in the video. The grommets are in there quite nicely. And we have 4 hooks. I want this to be in my front. This goes over the door, so it'll go in this way. And it was that easy to hang. Quite nice. So these little springs on the back, they're wanting to make it feel like the door won't close, but it will. I guess that gives some added security when this is full. I was able to put my hair care products at the top and most of my electric styling tools in here. I'm not sure if these are going to be too heavy. My large Lange blow dryer wouldn't fit in there at all. It was just, it tilted over too far. But at least I've cleared up some space in my medicine cabinet, and I'm not having to look at these in a basket on the floor. Happy so far. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link on how you can buy these items. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel or a playlist to suit your needs. Thanks for watching.